Do you know what we're going to do, Leon?
Birdie food.
We're going to make some birdie food. Well, food cakes anyway. So we've got lard and a birdseed mix. We've got some pots, some strings sort of stuff, and skewers. Now, put a hole in the bottom of the pots, and we're going to thread through the string and tie it to a skewer. And we're also going to melt the lard slowly, and then mix in the birdseed. So the lard's melted, and Leon's going to pop in 2 cups worth of mixed birdseed. Is it big? Ready? A nice big full one. Ready? Oh gosh. Right, there we go. Pop it in. That's right. Good boy. Another one. Well done. That's it. More? Do another one, babe. That's it. Keep going. How much have we got left? I'll tell you what. You just help Mama. Okay? Oh, don't put your fingers in, darling. It might be a bit warm. Oh gosh, I think we need more. Right, here we go. We've got the big bag here. And we'll give that a mix.
I want to do it.
Give it a mix. And that's looking better. It's maybe still a bit... I think that's probably about enough. What do you think? Should we add a little bit more?
Maybe.
There you go. Do you want to have a mix? Good boy. Mixy mixy.
Chop.
Chop? You don't chop chop. Keep mixing. Good boy. But we have to wait in it cooling down a little bit before we can put it into the little plastic tubs, otherwise it might make mess. Mummy's done some. So you get the spoon and put it into there. That's it, clever boy. Oh, we hear the eggs bubbling away.
Oh,
That's
I
it.
don't mind doing this.
Clever boy. Well done. You're so clever. And we'll just keep filling them up. And then we'll leave them to set and we can hang them out for the birdies.
Good chicken.
Look, it worked.
Mama.
That's for the birds.
Daddy,
Go and put it outside.
you go put your boots on and Daddy will take you outside.
Let's go and put it out.